Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to send PayPal crypto to a wallet. This process grants you greater autonomy over your digital assets. You can easily transfer supported cryptocurrencies directly from your PayPal account to an external wallet of your choosing. It is crucial to ensure your PayPal account is fully verified before attempting any such transactions, as this is a fundamental security requirement for all users. We will cover each step thoroughly. Before any transfer, proper preparation is key. Ensure you possess a compatible external crypto wallet, whether hardware or software. Confirm the cryptocurrency you intend to send, like Bitcoin or Ethereum, is fully supported for transfers on PayPal. Have your external wallet's receiving address readily available. Always double-check your wallet supports the specific blockchain network of your asset, preventing potential loss of funds. To begin the actual transfer, log into your PayPal account and navigate directly to the dedicated crypto section. From there, select the specific cryptocurrency you intend to transfer out, for instance, $100 worth of Ethereum. Look for and choose the option clearly labeled Send or Transfer to another wallet. Finally, accurately enter the exact amount of cryptocurrency you wish to send, ensuring it matches your desired quantity. Carefully paste your external wallet's receiving address into the designated field. This step is critically important, so take your time and verify it multiple times. If sending a large amount, consider performing a small test transfer first, perhaps a tiny fraction of a Bitcoin. Review all transaction details, including the exact amount and the recipient address, before proceeding. PayPal will display any associated transfer fees, usually a small percentage, before you finalize your confirmation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.